Today, as we make our dinosaur collages, we're going to use paper, scissors, and glue, and then look at the shapes of dinosaurs to try and fit them onto our page. My paper has a lot of stuff on it. There's 3 buildings, there's a person in the middle. I could even spend a little bit more time on it today if I wanted to, adding in other things. Maybe that's a cloud in the sky, or a sun peeking out by the window. Basically what I'm trying to do is fill up the space. So using these scraps of paper, I'm going to make an animal, a dinosaur. And so I'm going to start with this one. I've already drawn some shapes. I drew some shapes on the side of the paper so that I have all this extra space to use later. I drew a straight line, another straight line, and a big half circle. So what I'm going to do now is cut that out. Part of this will be for the spikes on the back of my dinosaur, and part of it will be for the arms and legs. I still need to do the tail, but I'm just cutting out these basic shapes to start with. Using basic shapes will give you a starting point and ideas for which to work. I'm going to put this aside and let someone else at my table use it. I want my dinosaur to be standing on the road. Right here is a good spot because it's not covering up my buildings. If I wanted it standing on the roof, I could still put it up here without covering up too much space. Everyone is going to have 2 or more dinosaurs, so I'm going to put mine right here on the road. The body is right there. I have this for legs. Now watch this. I can cut that in half like this. Now those are very long legs. So instead, I'm going to stack these up. I have 2 rectangles. And if I cut them right in the middle, now I have 4 legs. I could glue those legs right on my dinosaur. Just like that. I still need a head and a tail, so that's why I have this extra stuff right here. A head on your dinosaur could be a simple oval shape. Again, I don't want to do it right in the middle. I want to do it on the side. So I'm actually going to start right here and make a long oval shape. That's going to be the shape of my dinosaur's head. I want it to be big so that it's easy to see on the paper. If you wanted the head to be short like this coming off of your dinosaur, you could do that. I'm going to take this and cut a little rectangle for the neck. Let's make the head on this side. There's the neck. I can flip my paper and there's the head. Now what could I use this for? It could be the tail, but I want to make spikes. Here's a simple way to make spikes. Instead of cutting rectangles, I can cut at an angle and make a triangle. There's some spikes on my dinosaur's back. Now that I have one triangle, now I can cut it straight. And there's another one. Cut at an angle. There's a triangle. Then cut straight. Another triangle. I can save that right there as I glue these on my paper. There, it's looking like spikes on my dinosaur's back. I could take a pencil and draw in the mouth and the eye of my dinosaur. I can cut out more spikes. This would also work to be a tail. Instead of having it be a square tail, I'm going to do the same thing. Start at the corner and cut it diagonal. It's going to make a really long triangle. I can use that for the back of my dinosaur. I already have one dinosaur. I can make another one. Look at how much paper I have left over. Someone else at my table could use that, or I could use it to make something else, like a dinosaur egg. A dinosaur egg starts at the side of your page, make a rainbow around, and this is the starting point of it. Now this is a broken open egg, so the egg is hatched. So I'm cutting out my half circle, and then I can cut zigzags like this. Zig, go on the other side, zag. Zig, zag. Look at that. I have a little dinosaur egg that's hatched out of there. I can find a scrap of paper, like something, again, I'm cutting from the side, not from the middle, but cut from the side. I'm just cutting a little rectangle. And I'm going to draw a little dinosaur head coming out of that. So something like an oval that goes to the bottom. Little eye and a smile. I'll cut that out and place it inside the egg to make it look like it's growing. I'm going to fill up my paper with at least 1, 2 dinosaurs. Good luck, have fun!